Welcome to the library. This is our main building on Campus West. You enter through the Morrell, which is the mid-60s brutalist architecture one in the middle there, and there are modern additions on either side. The Fairhurst you can see on the left, and just out of shot is the Burton on the right. We're open from 8 AM till midnight at the moment, and we'll put a link below to the opening hours for the latest information.
Okay, so you need your student card to come in and out of the library, and we strongly recommend that you wear a face covering too. As you go in, you'll see the help desk on the right there, and they can help you with small questions, big questions, IT questions, any questions really. And then there is the Morrell Lounge, which is currently bookable group study space. Behind that, there are laptop loans in the cabinet there.
So please ask us for help whenever you need it. We like helping people, we enjoy answering questions, and all our staff are really knowledgeable. We don't expect you to know how to do everything, so please just ask. Over there we've got our book return point, and next to it one of our self-issue machines. That's where you take your books out once you've found them on the shelves.
Now we're up on the third floor of the Morrell, and we're looking down at the second and first floors. The library is divided up by subject, so this top floor has the sciences, the second floor has the arts and humanities, and the first floor has the social sciences. We buy ebooks wherever possible, and we have hundreds of thousands of them, but we also have all these print items.
So you don't need to book if you're just coming in to borrow or return books or speak to us at the help desk, but you do need to book a study space online, and there are hundreds of study spaces throughout the library to suit your need.
In terms of study space, the Burton Library is probably the most traditional library atmosphere. It's all silent study space, there's lots of natural light, and our newest addition, which is the Safe Pod. And that will give you access to secure government data sets, and it's the only one available in the north of England. Next to the Burton is the Borthwick Institute for Archives, and here you can get your hands on about 1,000 years worth of history. That's anything from the medieval church to 19th century chocolate making, all the way through to modern entertainment and comedy. We've also got an amazing collection of rare books that are entirely unique to York. If you'd like to find out more, there'll be a link below with more information about the Borthwick and what we can offer you.
On the other side of the Morrell from the Burton is the Fairhurst. There's PCs, AV materials, the music library, lots of study spaces. It's got a louder atmosphere, and there are some places that you can eat cold food that you've brought with you. When you're booking study space online, really the message is choose whichever building and type of learning space works best for you.
So these are our main library buildings. This is our biggest site, but not our only one. We also have a library at King's Manor and a library at York Minster, both in the city centre, both in wonderful historic buildings, plus a learning space in the Piazza building on Campus East.
If you want to know more about finding books, borrowing books, using online resources, reading lists and anything else, please watch our How It All Works video. It covers lots of really useful information.
That's the end of our tour. Follow-up questions are strongly encouraged via email or chat, phone, Twitter, Instagram. You can search UoYTips across social media or just Google it for lots of useful information and ideas on how to get started. And welcome to York.